This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Tesla Cybertruck. Begin by sketching the primary body as a long, flat trapezoid. Then, position a smaller, angled trapezoid on top for the cabin. Focus on keeping all your lines very straight and sharp to capture the vehicle's distinctive, futuristic aesthetic. This initial step establishes the fundamental structure. Next, let's add the wheels and undercarriage. Sketch two large, circular wheels, making sure they are partially covered by the main body. Connect them with a flat, rectangular undercarriage. Remember to keep all your lines crisp and precise, reinforcing the Cybertruck's unique, geometric design. This crucial step grounds your drawing and adds stability. Now, let's refine the details that make the Cybertruck recognizable. Draw the prominent, thin LED light bar stretching across the front. Add the sharp, triangular side windows and the angular door lines. For the bed cover, include subtle horizontal lines to suggest its texture. These elements bring the drawing to life. Finally, we'll add shading and refine your drawing. Use light, even shading to give the Cybertruck a sense of depth and its signature metallic sheen. Darken the edges and prominent lines to enhance definition and make the angles pop. Carefully erase any initial sketch lines to achieve a clean, polished final look. You've drawn a Cybertruck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.